So this week, the very first thing we're going to look at is overwriting and overloading. And there's a fundamental concept between these two things. And I'm going to try to explore those a little bit in my micro lesson to give you an idea of the two. But it's very difficult for me to talk directly about overwriting and overloading without answering the question of the difference, because that's your discussion topic this particular week. So I am going to tell you that there's a very, very significant difference between the two. It allows for a more robust way to program methods, I should say objects. It allows for a much more robust way to create and utilize objects, and it provides a very interesting a way to make you have a dynamic change to your programming as you go along. And I'm searching for words here because I don't want to use enough to tell you the difference, because I want you to go out there and find it, but understand that there are people that don't really understand the difference between the two. And I want you to really clamp down on the difference and start to think about, okay, if I was going to make an object that utilizes these things, what would be the best way to do it? What would be the best way I could actually utilize it and make use of it, as opposed to making this an academic exercise of, oh, the teacher tells me I have to do this, so I'm going to do it. So try to make it your own this week and try to come to grips with it. Hopefully my micro lesson will help a little bit. Otherwise, you take care, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say.